Good morning, Green Acres! Today is Friday. It is January the 15th, and it is a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. A quick reminder that we do not have school on Monday in observation of Martin Luther King Day. However, our Monday schedule will take place on Wednesday. So no school on Monday, periods 1, 5, 6, and 7 on Tuesday, and on Wednesday, periods 1, 2, 3, and 4. We will not have RTI on Wednesday. So please treat Wednesday like a regular school day. Thank you. And that is it for our day's bulletin. We are Chargers with heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go and whatever you do, be a Charger with heart. Have a great day.